Okay, so I recently got back to Liberty, so unload my car with me. Oh my goodness. It's going everywhere. Got my suitcase. I'm just gonna stuff this bag with stuff. Dara is my roommate, so I'm about to go see her for the first time this year. Ooh, just need to shove everything into here. Got makeup, a bunch of stuff that brands have sent me, and then random stuff from packing and everything. But yeah. Okay, here's some of it. I need this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Got random stuff in there. Hope this doesn't fall. And then I've got stuff I need to give to my cousin. Oh my word. Okay, well, like, I think this is fine. I'm gonna have to take a few trips. See you in trip 2.